Hey my pretty people, welcome back. If you're new, I'm Tanya, a retired makeup artist, beauty and fashion lover, and your pink obsessed bestie. If you're into all things girly and glam, and obviously Christmas, you came to the right place. For today's video, I am back to filming my annual Christmas decorating video here on YouTube. It's good to see me, isn't it? I just feel like I had to use that phrase because honestly, it's been a minute since I've done a Christmas decorating video here. I feel like the last few years I've shown you my Christmas decor and hauls, and you guys essentially have seen me decorating but on Instagram Reels. I missed posting this traditional video on my YouTube channel, and honestly the past couple of years I felt really overwhelmed to film it for YouTube for some reason. But this year we have been working on so many goals, including getting organized, how to heal feeling overwhelmed, and healing in so many different ways I will not talk about in this video. I'll have to do like a podcast episode or something. I have really been working on myself and just on getting back to myself and getting back to the things I really love, including this YouTube channel. This YouTube channel is a huge hobby that I started a really long time ago, and as you guys know, I started back in the day. I didn't even know I could get paid, and I've been on YouTube since 2012. Been a really long time. You know, within that many years of being on YouTube, inevitably there's going to be waves. I'm trying to have grace for myself because there's going to be moments of, you know, me feeling burnout and things like that, and I've been trying to do my best to allow myself to feel those feelings. That has resulted in me having all this energy again to do all of these videos, and I'm so excited and so happy to be back for some Christmas content. So as you guys can see, my tree is in the back and I'm in my living room, and I'm really excited to show you guys how I decorated my tree and bring you all of the Christmas vibes in today's video. If you want to see how I decorated my LA city apartment and how I brought all the Christmas magic into my space, go ahead and keep on watching. I always start every single morning with my coffee, of course, so I'm using none other than some holiday themed coffee supplies, of course. I got the new Nespresso holiday pods, and these are so good. I'm also making my coffee in a gingerbread mug because of course we have to get in the holiday spirit, and I have been meaning to put syrup inside of these containers and I just haven't, so I went ahead and took care of that. This is usually how I start every morning, so you might see me make coffee a couple of times in this video. Excuse the loudness, but yes, I'm grabbing a few more things to finish the decorating for our video. Come with me to Home Goods real quick. Little decorating break, if you will. Took a little detour into Five Below. Let me show you.
No, I'm good.
This Home Goods doesn't have very much, but it's cute. You guys, we're in Target, don't ask, but this man loves candles. Like, everywhere we go, he has to show me candles.
If you guys find this in Target,
Manny needs his own candle brand.
buy this for your man.
Oh yeah, which one? Christmas gift ideas? Okay,
Embers.
Gilded Embers. Wow. That smells really good.
10 out of 10.
Okay, Target, they
show
have
'em the-
so much. We're looking for pink velvet ornaments. Target is always the worst, best idea ever. We of course have to put up the trees first. I went ahead and put up my beauty room tree here, even though I did not technically decorate the beauty room in this video, but I did want you guys to see this tree from ShareCon. I mentioned it to you guys in my Christmas haul, so my trees will be linked down below. My main tree is from the same place as well, and these trees are so beautiful. I was very surprised by the quality. So if you're looking for a tree, make sure and check them out.
Tonight, he climbs down the chimney at the speed of light while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing, just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day.
Of course, for the main tree, I had already put it up since November 1st, obviously, so I just started to fluff this tree. It really needed some fluffing. The cats already had their fun with it. I usually like to let the tree sit bare for a few days, like 5 days up to a week, so that my cats can actually get used to the tree, mess with it all they want before there's actually ornaments on it. Yes, I do that.
Hi to every friendly face, and later we warm up by the fireplace. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before.
Okay guys, we picked up some more decor and here is everything. Last minute I went with my mom to TJ Maxx like today and I found this gingerbread nutcracker and house, and I found this cute little bear. Yesterday I went with my friends and we found these bows. Manny picked out this candle right here and we both picked out these gorgeous gold shatterproof ornaments, and we're finally ready to finish decorating the tree. As you guys saw, I had done a little bit of decorating just to map out how I want the tree to look, but we did take everything off to add the twinkling lights. The twinkling lights are from Amazon and I always add more lights to all of my trees. It's just like what I always do. Although the lights this came with were really beautiful, but I just like more lights. The more lights, the merrier. This is what the tree is looking like. We have to fluff her a little more, obviously, and let's get to decorating her. I almost forgot. I went to Five Below and found the cutest gingerbread house pajama pants. I also found these red ones that I'm wearing right now. My mom and I got matching ones of these. But yeah, this is technically all of the new stuff that I got. So let's get back to the decor.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion.
This day was my real tree decorating day. I had taken everything off and just restarted. And of course, shout out to my mama because she made all of the bows for this tree. It's been so nice to be able to share this year's decor with her. Fun fact, cranberry red is her favorite Christmas color and pink is mine. So I kind of mixed both of our favorite colors for this year's theme.
We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the
I had a vision for this little table, and it was definitely to match the bows to the tree. I ended up using cranberry candlesticks to add contrast to this section right here, and it turned out so beautiful.
family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, dance, dance. Come on.
My kitchen decor this year is more like gingerbreads, but I don't know why I decided to bring out this Santa to put my coffee pods in when I had a gingerbread house, so you'll see me switch that later. But yes, I definitely wanted to use a cookie jar for my pods. I don't eat a lot of cookies, but I do drink a lot of coffee, so I try to adjust things accordingly. I did find the viral teddy bear mug, and it's so cute. Here you see me switching out to the pods. So yeah, enjoy my kitchen decorating. And just so you know, this won't be the end of the kitchen decorating. I did a little more decorating on day 3. I did space this out in a as I could decorate type of basis. And so that's why you're seeing me decorate the kitchen and the living room multiple days. We're officially on day 3 of decorating, and I not decorated basically my coffee table, the couch, the beauty room, a few little things in the bedroom. You guys have seen most of the kitchen. I feel like I need to add a few more little touches here and there. But we are on day 3. It's taken me 3 days to do this, you guys. So if you're liking it so far, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what your favorite part has been so far down below. And of course, we're wearing another pajama today. I'm wearing my little gingerbread house ones from Five Below and my new sweater that I got at, it was Marshall's or TJ Maxx, I can't remember. Of course, we have a bow in my hair because that's just tradition. You guys know I've been doing the hair bow for Christmas for such a long time, so of course we can't stop the tradition now. And I'll show you my mug of the day today. You guys have been seeing my mugs in every single one, but I just wasn't talking through it. But this is my mug of the day. This one is from Hobby Lobby, and she fits perfectly with my theme.